Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a fingerprint scanner on Google Pixel Fold. And to do this we'll need to open our settings and right here find the security tab. Now we need to find device lock. And there's a face and fingerprint unlock, which confirms that this device does have it, but now we're gonna try to find it. And the fingerprint scanner is located on the right side of your phone where the power key is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.